polynomial special products with a perfect square. All right, so this is similar to the last problems, except instead of we having 1 plus 1 negative, they're both going to be plus, or they might both be negative as well. I can't remember if there's those in this assignment or not. So the first thing you want to do is probably rewrite it. So we get 8w to the 4 plus w cubed times 8w4 plus w cubed, right? Because it's squared. So it's just this times itself. Now over here, we're going to FOIL, or do the distribution method. Or if you want to do the box, you can do that as well. I'm going to distribute, so this 8w goes there, and then it'll go on the back side. So we have 8 times 8 is 64, w to the 8, and then 8 times 1 is 8, w to the 7. And what you're going to see here is we're going to get the exact same thing right here in the middle. We're going to get 8 times 1 is 8, and then w to the 7. So instead of these middles canceling out, like the last assignment, we're going to be doubling them up. And then we get at the back side, 1 times 1 is 1, w to the 6th. So 64 to the 8, and we have w 6th in the middle, or sorry, at the end. And in the middle, we have 8 plus 8 is 16, w to the 7th. So I said instead of the middle canceling out, they now double up. So it's very similar with just an extra small step. Oh, 64w. I forgot to write the w right here. W to the 8 plus 16w to the 7 plus w to the 6. And that looks right. And it is. All right, next question. All right, so this one is subtraction. All right, so instead of the middle term being positive, it'll be negative. But the last term will still be positive because negative times a negative is a positive. All right, so I'm writing this problem down. I'm going straight from that to that. Okay, so it's just this squared. So I wrote it twice. We're going to distribute. Once again, if you want to do the box method, you can do that. I mean, not. I actually, after this question, I'm going to do it in my head. So 7 times 7 is 49. B to the 10. If you want to go straight to the last term, like I said, they're going to be positive. Negative times a negative is a positive, so positive b to the 4. The middle term, we get 7b to the 5 minus b squared. So we get negative 7b to the 7, and that's going to be doubled up again. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7, and b to the 7. So these double up, and we get negative 14b to the 7 plus b to the 4 and 49b to the 10. Minus 14b 7 plus b to the 4. All right, next question. So I'm probably going to do these ones in my head now. I want to show you. Okay, yeah. So the first term is going to be 25. All right, I'm going to do the last term right now. I'll come back to the middle term. So plus 36b to the 6 is the last term. Now the middle term. Well, we have to do 6. We have to basically do this times this. And so what do we get from that? Well, we get 6 times 5 is 30. B to the 3. But we have 2 of those. So instead of 30, b to the 3. So instead of being 30, b to the 3, it's going to be double that. So 60. And there you go. All right. Last one, I'll do it in my head again, like I just did that previous one. So 9 times 9 is 81, n to the 14. Negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1. Okay, so now let's do the middle term. So let's just do one of them. So negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. And let's look at n to the 7. Okay, well we have to double this number, just in the coefficient. So 9 times 2 is 18. And it's still negative. And we're done.